Okay, so I just got this whisk to prep my Ninja Creamies, and so let's go ahead and try it out. I did just wash this and it's ready to go. To wash this, I just put it inside of a jar with soapy hot water. I made sure to only submerge the metal part, not anything above the middle part, and I just pressed the button on the top and gave it a few whisks until the water got really sudsy, and then I just rinsed it under running water to get all the soap off, and it was ready to go. So funny story is before I got this whisk, I was using just the metal shaker bottles for protein and putting it in here with my protein and then shaking it up. One, that's super messy, so I don't recommend that. It got protein all over the sides and it was just really messy. But also, I forgot the metal ball in here and it ruined our first Ninja Creami. And so we had to get another one. So do not do that. I would just get a whisk like this one and do not use a metal shaker ball if you're doing Ninja Creamies. Trust me, I saw that on TikTok and I thought I will never leave it in there, and I did. So do not do that. Take my advice and save yourself the money and the heartache and just use a whisk. And then I'm going to go ahead and whisk it up and so you can see how this whisk works. So you just press the button on the end. I have not charged this yet. You do have to hold the button down as you're blending. If you take your finger off the button, it will stop. I just opened this today. I just washed it with soap and water like you saw, and I'm going to go ahead and test it out. So press the top and immerse this in here and just give it a good whisk. It did say in the instructions to not run it for more than 3 minutes continuously, so I won't need that much time to run it. Just a little whisk, and that seems like it's good. And then just give it a little tap. And I'll just do one more so you can see how well the whisk works. Seems like it works well. This one you can kind of see the clumps more, so I'm curious to see how well this one blends it up. But it seems like it's pretty well. I know that you don't have to do it perfectly because the Ninja Creami will blend it also whenever it makes the ice cream. This is just to get most of it blended. We use this for our green drinks. We use the Clean Simple Eats green drinks every day, so we can also use this for that purpose too. I'm super excited to have a whisk, so you can kind of see some of the clumps on here. So give it another little whisk. So you can kind of see there's still a few clumps in here, so maybe if I did it a little bit more on top. There we go. Yeah, that looks better. So yeah, this seems to work really well. I love that it's rechargeable. You don't have to deal with batteries. This does not detach. So in the manual, it did say this does not come off. So don't try and pull this off. You might break it. And to wash it, you would just rinse it, just the metal part, and then wash it with soap and water like you saw. I think it's probably easiest to just do it in a cup and just spin it around like I did. That's how I'm going to be washing this. And it seems like it's pretty easy. So if you're looking for a nice, rechargeable, easy to use whisk or milk frother, this one does seem like a really good option.